everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the last two videos, I showed you how to make a double stacked cluster chart in both Excel and Power BI. I also showed you how to show the grand total on the top of the columns, so it's easier for your analysis. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create those charts with templates so that it's easier for you to replicate and reproduce those charts more efficiently. So now let's get started. First, I'll show you in Excel. The version I use for this file is Microsoft 365. It's the online subscription. If your computer uses an earlier version of Office, it may be places that's slightly different. So the chart above is the chart that I did in the last two videos. I have the link to the video below if you're interested. And now let's say I have a new set of data, totally made up, like I didn't even bother to change the numbers. But basically, let's say if we need to do periodical updates or something similar, that is perfect for use this kind of chart. How can we reproduce it efficiently? So commonly there are a couple ways that you can do it. Like for example, you can just change the data in your original table directly and then everything in the chart will be refreshed. But let's say if you want to save the original data and then just reproduce, then I know, for example, it's common to do is that you copy the chart, paste it, and then you simply drag the data to your new data and hope everything will look the same. But unfortunately in Excel, when you drag the data to the new data, the format will automatically go back to the original one, and then you have to basically reformat everything again, which is a waste of time. So with template, this will be so much easier to resolve. So let's delete this and let's go back to the chart that I want to replicate. And what you do is that once you have the chart ready, right click and go to Save as Template. And then it will go to a folder called Template and Charts, and then you can save it to any name you want. I do suggest that you save it as a clear name, for example, double stacked column charts, and just save it. And once you have saved it, what you can do is go to your new data set and then go to Insert, go to Recommended Charts, which will pop up this one, and then you go to All Charts, and the second one from the top is Template. And here is where you can find the templates that you have saved. And the one that I have saved is this one, the double stack column chart. I go OK, here you go. I have chart just as the same format as the original one, and I can again do the mine. So this way it's so much faster and painless. Now let's see how to make the same chart in Power BI. The version I use for this file is Power BI updated in May 2023. It is a free version that you can download from the link in the description below. So we have already made this chart. If you wonder how to make this chart, you can go back to the video last week. And let's say this is a template that we want to reuse for a different data set. How do we do it? First, we still need to get our market data prepped in the same format as we did last time. So this is a data set I'm using for this time. It's going to be still the regions, the job levels. And I'm going to have this chart on the top so that I can do it on this, do the new chart below it. So now this time, the data table that I'm going to use is actually this one. So you can see I have already preloaded into Power BI. So this is how it looks like with the total comp and region and the jobs. And what I'm going to do is to replicate. So select the chart that you already made, Control C and then Control V. You will see a new chart just on top of it, and then basically just select your new chart and then just drag it to maybe another place. So okay, so you have two identical charts here. And let's say the bottom one is what you want to refresh. To do that, what you need to first do is to make sure it's disconnected with the original data set. So to do that, you can simply delete all the data fields. So now you can see it's not connected to the original table set. And now let's go to the new table, and then let's simply drag all the elements into our chart. So I want analyst to be the first column. I want it to first label. I want comp item to region X list. So as you can see, the best part about it is that once you drag them into here, it's preserving the format from before, so you don't have to create it anymore. You do need to adjust your labels. For example, here we don't want it to be sum, just analyst. You can do that. Yeah. And then another thing that we also notice is that it's not in the order that we want. So you want to go to more option and sort ascending. There you go. So here you can see chart is different. Like I did change some numbers, so you can see that it is definitely referring new data table, but it's preserving the format that used. So that is how you can use template to recreate a chart in Power BI. Okay, that's everything I want to share with you today. I hope that you find the video helpful. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I guess I'll see you in my next video.